Hey everyone, Paul Akers, president of FastCap. I've got an amazing announcement. Brad Cairns, one of our fellow woodworkers up in Canada, hates waste, and he developed a new website called mywoodfactory.com. On this website, you can sell your old equipment, you can buy equipment, and everything's free. Here's Brad, and he's going to explain the whole thing. It is the leanest process to get rid of or to purchase equipment without all the commissions and all the nonsense normally associated with buying and selling equipment. You're going to love it. Brad, take it away.
Hey, Paul, I got something that I would love to share with the woodworking community. Now, this is based on two principles. The first one is use your head, not your wallet. And the second one is really paying it forward. This has been such an amazing community, an amazing industry to me. So I wanted to give back a little bit. I'm sure it's not just me. As our company's been growing, we're buying and selling a lot more equipment. So in true Fix What Bugs You fashion, we identified a couple of problems with the current process. And one of them is the amount of time it takes for you to call a sales guy, the sales guy to call the guy selling the equipment, for him to call him back, to call you back. I mean, the whole process could be circumvented if you could just get right in touch with the person selling the equipment. The other one was using our head, not our wallet. A lot of times you don't need to have that person in the middle because you know what you're looking for, and really you can avoid that giant commission. The best part about this website is it's totally free. No strings attached, in true lean fashion, eliminating all the waste of buying equipment. It's so simple to use. You just browse by category, click on the category you want, and voila, the machines that are listed will appear there. There's no limit to this website. It is global. Any machine from any country, anywhere in the world can be listed. If you want to sell your machine, you just keep scrolling down or click on sell your machine, fill in all of the information, and it will give the buyer everything they need to know about this piece of equipment. Let's delve into the magic of one of these listings. You just click on the category if you're looking for CNC routers, and you scroll down, find one you think you like, open it up, and check out the best ads in the world. This is the power of mywoodfactory.com. You get to see the equipment, you can see videos, pictures, you get a map of exactly where this piece of equipment is. No more guessing how much it might cost to ship it. All the information is there, and then you get put right in contact with the seller. Just when you thought it couldn't get better, there's also a finance tab. If you need to finance that piece of equipment, you get a quote right there instantly online. So don't walk, run back to your factory, get your phone out, take pictures of all of that excess inventory in terms of machinery, and let's get it listed on mywoodfactory.com. Make this the go-to place for buying and selling woodworking machinery.